everyone, what's up, what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Swati. Today's video is a tutorial of this look which I have created today, and this is a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. I have inserted her picture right here and you can see she's looking drop dead gorgeous. If you are following her on Instagram, then you must know a few days back she has posted this picture, and तब से I just badly wanted to recreate this look. So yes, finally I did it today. And before starting, let me tell you guys, जो पिक्चर यहाँ पे इंसर्ट की गई है, this is edited. Also इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म लाइट का यूज़ किया है and I am using natural light. This is why मेरा मेकअप जो है काफ़ी कूल लग रहा है. Anyways, तो जल्दी से वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं, बट मेक श्योर यू हैव सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल गाइज. ऑल्सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट दैट नोटिफिकेशन बेल right next to the subscribe button, so you guys will be notified every time I will be uploading a new video. So yes, let's start.
First, I'm starting off with moisturizing my face. You can use your regular moisturizer because this is the most important part before applying any sort of makeup on your face. Now I will be using this LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Primer, जिसे मैं अप्लाई करूँगी अपने eyelids पर. इससे मेरे फाइन लाइंस एकदम फिल इन हो जाएंगे और आई शेडो का एप्लीकेशन एकदम स्मूथ और फ्लॉलेस रहेगा. और आई एम ब्लेंडिंग दिस प्राइमर विद द हेल्प ऑफ माई फिंगर. Now I will be using this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 02 and I will be applying it all over my eyelid. I'm blending it with the help of this small buffing brush, and yeah, brush से आपको ज़्यादा अच्छी coverage मिलती है. That's why I'm using this. Now I will be setting this concealer with a very less amount of compact powder, otherwise your eyeshadow will crease. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow palette, and with the help of this eyeliner brush I will be applying a graphic liner using chocolate brown shade. I know this is quite tricky और इतना easy नहीं है जितना लग रहा है. Trust me guys, it totally depends on your practice. The more you practice, the better your precision will be. So yeah, just practice and a lot of practice, and with the help of this pencil brush I am smudging out the edges of this eyeshadow. Now I will be using this copper metallic shade from the same palette and will be applying it on my lid with the help of this flat eyeshadow brush. On the top of that I will be applying this coppery gold pressed glitter from the palette I have showed you. This is Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle Glitter Eyeshadow Palette. एंड जो भी फॉल आउट हुआ है इसको हम यहाँ पे सेलो टेप की हेल्प से निकाल देंगे. इस तरीके से आप टेप लगा लीजिए जहाँ पर भी आपको फॉल आउट हुआ है ग्लिटर का, एंड इस तरीके से सारे ही आपके ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स टेप में निकल जाते हैं. नाउ आई विल बी क्रिएटिंग अ विंग लाइनर ऑन द आउटर वी, and for that I'm using my Glam Stay Refined eyeliner. Now I'm done with my makeup and I will be doing my face makeup now. सबसे पहले I am using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Face Primer, applying it on my T-zone. Blend it with the help of your finger. For foundation I'm using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, और थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन मैंने अपने कपड़ों पर गिरा लिया है यहाँ पे. एनीवेज, इसको पहले मैं ब्रश की हेल्प से पूरे फेस पर स्प्रेड कर लूँगी एंड देन ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर की हेल्प से हम इसको बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लेंगे, तो एकदम एयर ब्रश जैसी आपको फिनिशिंग मिल जाएगी. To highlight my face I will be using Maybelline Fit Me liquid concealer in the shade, I don't know the shade name exactly, I'll mention it on the screen, and I'm blending it with a help of this beauty blender. And to set this concealer I will be using My Glam's Pose HD Banana Powder. और जब तक मेरा कंसीलर बेक हो रहा है तब तक मैं अपना फेस कॉन्टोर कर लेती हूँ. For that I am using My Glam Chisel It 3-in-1 Blush Contour and Highlighting Palette, and I will be applying this contour shade on my cheekbones, and on my forehead. For blush I am using this Lakme Absolute Blush, और I just love the shade of this blush. You can see the shade is looking so pretty. And I'm using highlighter from the same palette. For mascara, I have used Sugar Lengthening Mascara, and for lipstick, I have used two lipsticks which I forgot to show you guys. So I've mentioned the name on the screen. You can check that out.
So this is the final look, guys, and I am just obsessing over this look. This comes out so freaking good, and yeah, I think you all like this video too. If yes, then please do let me know your views in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more makeup related videos, please follow me on my Instagram. My Insta handle is @Swati. So I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.